Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like an audio spectrum to your videos on CapCut PC. So select any video that you want to. I'm just going to select this one. Go to the stickers section of CapCut and just type in audio on the search bar. Then you're just going to apply whichever kind of spectrum that you want. Just going to apply this one here. Actually, I like this one a little bit better. So I'm just going to put that on. And I'm just going to put it to the side. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.